Hey, it's Dee and I'm back again with an amazing, easy jackfruit recipe. Pre-made jerks like this, especially the wet kind for me, is so crucial in my kitchen. I love using it, adding a bit to my fried mushrooms or kind of any dish. It bumps up the flavour and adds lots of spices without having to kind of do much. So I've paired with amazing tropical sun to bring you this really simple jackfruit recipe, just using one red onion, one red pepper, just to get all caramelized, beautiful, and one can of jackfruit, and just a bunch of seasoning, and simple as that. So let's get into the recipe. The molasses as well also adds an extra darker colour, because traditionally jerk is cooked on these big drums with charcoal or even on pimento wood. So we want to add that extra charcoaly flavour to the dish. So molasses adds that note that we can't necessarily replicate in our kitchens or in the middle of winter. Now we're going to put this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes.
So that's it, my easy jackfruit recipe.